Let's make some delicious cheesecakes. Let's make the dough first. Add salt and sugar. And flour, mix everything thoroughly. And pour in warm water. Whey or milk. It is very important that it is not hot, liquid, as the flour will begin brew. We don't need this. Mix well, cover and leave for 15 to 20 minutes in a warm place. To rise. Hat. Our cap has risen, and we add a beaten egg and oil. Mix well and pour into our sifted flour. And knead the dough, it should not stick to the hands, and be gentle. We lubricate our hands with oil and knead the dough thoroughly. And we smear our little toe, close it and leave it for 1 hour. Let's move on to the filling. Add to the cottage cheese, egg, sugar, vanilla sugar, or sour cream, or kefir. Mix everything thoroughly. We leave you to wait. Our dough is ready. Knead the dough well and shape it. 12 balls. We transfer the balls to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and place them wide apart from each other. We cover them with a towel and let them stand 10 to 15 minutes. After which we take a mug, dip it in flour and we start to press in our cheesecakes, thereby giving them shape. For the filling, we put the filling on. Okay, we don't regret it. Meanwhile, we turn on the oven to 180 degrees, and we will bake our cheesecakes until golden brown, 20 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to grease the edges of the cheesecakes with yolk. Then our cheesecakes will be beautiful. Shiny color after baking. And here's what I managed to capture after baking. I barely had time. They are very tasty. Subscribe and like smiley face.